is up, everybody? In today's video, we are going to open up app in a pop-up view using the triple tap on our Samsung Galaxy device. So if you're looking out how to do so, you may just go over and follow up these steps for that. So for that, you can use your built-in features, which is using the edge panel gesture. For that, you can go to your settings of your device. And within your settings, you can go to the section for display and go ahead and then tap on that display option. After you go to display option, what you need to do is you need to go over and look out for the edge panels option. So you can just go over and tap on this edge panels. You can turn it on, and under edge panels here, you will be finding different options. So what you can do is you can just go over and turn it on, and to edit out, we have this option of panels. You can tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you will be finding different kind of panels available like app, tools, people, task, etc. You can select just one of them and set it up. Once it is turned on, you can close this up and open up your edge panel from your right hand side or left hand side and look out for this menu bar and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be finding an option of edit. You can tap on that pencil icon, and all you gotta do is basically add up the applications to the panel. There are a bunch of applications available. You can cancel those out. And if I want to add, for example, Drive, you can basically go ahead and hold the app and place it in the panel side. You can drop there for the pop-up view, and once it is done, you can save the changes directly. And the changes will be saved directly on your edge panel. You can view it up. You can just go over and launch it in the pop-up, and that's how you open the app in your pop-up view using the triple tap on your Samsung Galaxy device. And that should probably work out for you. If you want to swipe for pop-up, you can just go over and look out for your settings and go to the motions and gesture sections. So let's directly hold over to the top and type in motions and tap on motions and gestures. And from here, tap on it, and you can look out for the option to swipe for pop-up view. So you just need to look out for that option right there and turn it on, and that should probably enable the swipe up for pop-up view gestures on your Samsung Galaxy. So that's it, everybody. Those are probably solutions you can follow up for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.